Did you know one Persian king came closer than anyone to destroying both the Byzantine and Roman empires at the same time? In 628 AD, Khosrow II controlled more territory than any Persian ruler since ancient times. His armies captured Jerusalem and took the Holy Cross, conquered all of Egypt, and swept across Asia Minor until Persian soldiers could see the walls of Constantinople itself. The Byzantine Emperor Heraclius was so desperate he melted down church gold and silver just to pay his troops. Khosrow declared himself the new Cyrus the Great and seemed unstoppable, but then Heraclius did something brilliant. Instead of defending his capital, he launched a surprise attack deep into Persia itself. Khosrow panicked and began executing his best generals, thinking they were plotting against him. His own people turned on him. In the end, his own son murdered him in his palace. Both empires were left so weak from this massive war that when Arab armies arrived just years later, they conquered territories that had been fighting each other for centuries.